cats like to eat seeds. This is my dog, Mike, said Kate. Sit, Mike. Shake my hand. He wants a bone to eat. I have a pet, said Miss Lane. It is long and it has scales. It is a black snake. We had fun with the pets at school. And then this is the end of the book.
What's at the ending?
I drew Roxy.
Aww.
I don't know how to draw her that way.
Show the camera. I thought it was a fish at first. I thought it was a fish.
Ev, what's coming in like 3 weeks?
Christmas.
What do you got?
An orange.
Nice.
No, 3 weeks and 1 day.
Oh, duh.
Yeah, but you forgot the other day.
Don't roll your eyes at me. I just caught you on camera.
No,
Ev, Allie rolled the eyes.
no I didn't. We can edit that.
Ev, Allie rolled the eyes at us.
I believe A-L-I, 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 A-L-L.
High five. Orange 5.